Hi, I'm John Chan, the Senior Lab Manager here at Reviewed, and today I'll be reviewing the Bissell Steam Shot Deluxe. The Bissell Steam Shot Deluxe is a handheld steamer that comes with a variety of attachments, including a scraper brush, a grout brush, and a squeegee kit. This handheld steamer needs to be used with distilled water because tap water will leave behind mineral deposits that can clog the unit. The steamer tank holds 6.6 ounces, and when it's full, the whole unit weighs about 3.2 pounds. You can use the Steam Shot Deluxe to clean non-porous hard surfaces as well as fabrics, but don't use it on delicate materials like silk. Here are some things that we like. The Bissell Steam Shot Deluxe is a breeze to use. It comes with a spouted measuring cup, so you never overfill. The attachments either twist into place or click into place really easily. It also has an indicator light to tell you when it is ready to use when the steam has been made. It can clean almost every surface in your house. With the Bissell Steam Shot Deluxe's 8 attachments, you can tackle everything from grout to glass. It rehydrates sticky messes and grime. By using hot steam, it can help rehydrate stuck-on messes so they're easier to get off with less elbow grease. For example, we did an experiment where we covered some wooden countertop with some chocolate syrup, let it dry. With the Bissell Steam Shot Deluxe, we were able to rehydrate that mess and scrape it off in one go really easily. Aside from cleaning, the Bissell Steam Shot Deluxe is also great on fabrics. We used it to get wrinkles out of shirts. It took a few tries to get used to. There's a fair bit of condensation when you use it, but once you get a hang of it, it works like a charm. It's not as good as a conventional iron, but it's really nice to be able to use one tool for multiple purposes. Here are some things that we don't like. A lot of the attachments are quite small. For example, the brush head is only 1 inch in diameter. If you're tackling like a really big mess, it's going to take a while. But what you're getting in exchange is that it's very portable and doesn't take a lot of space in your house. This unit needs to be handled with care. Like with anything that uses steam, it can burn you. During testing, we measured the steam coming out of this device to be around 173.9 degrees. While it can sanitize surfaces in 30 seconds, it can also burn you. And while the Bissell Steam Shot Deluxe is really easy to set up, it takes a little bit longer to get it into storage because you gotta wait for the tank to cool off and then you need to depressurize it. Overall, the pros are it makes harnessing the power of steam easy. It can clean every surface in your house. It rehydrates and removes sticky messes. And it works on your wardrobe too. While the cons are the attachment heads are small and it should be handled with care. So should you buy the Bissell Steam Shot Deluxe? We think so. It's a super convenient tool. It's very versatile. It comes with over 10 attachments. It can tackle everything from grout to sticky messes. It can even de-wrinkle your fabric, and it's really easy to set up and use. And for under $50, we think it's a great buy. For the full review of the Bissell Steam Shot Deluxe and for other cleaning tips, head over to review.com.